Alright guys, so when you're broke and poor, where do you shop? When you don't have a lot of money? Let's be honest, I believe 90% of Americans are still struggling. Last time I made that video, nothing much has changed. It's probably worse now compared to 4 months ago. So I wouldn't say I'm like broke and poor, but yeah, I'm just somewhere in the middle class. And if you watch me on the live, yeah, my money got deposited on September 2nd, but I didn't realize it went to the old bank. You know, my employer told me it was sent to the new credit union, but apparently it got deposited into the old bank, and I guess I just didn't check my old bank, you know. So yeah, so there was like $2,400 missing from my from my bank, and for that couple of weeks I was struggling. Yeah, it's kind of tough when you're missing $2,400. You know, it's kind of tough. But today I shop at the Dollar Tree. At first I just wanted to buy a comb. You know, I've been to dollar store a few times, you know, to buy some party supply and stuff, but I think this is $1. This is $1.50. $1.50. $1.50 and $1.50. So 6 plus 1, 7, I think. I didn't get the receipt, yeah. 6 plus 7 plus tax, so $7.50. Not bad, right? It's smaller, yeah. If you buy this at Walmart, it's like probably 5, bigger size. So yeah, when you don't have a lot of money, do you shop at dollar store? Most dollar store don't sell any fresh produce or meats. You know, it's only frozen food. So for food, I guess you go to either most people shop at Walmart, I guess, or the local grocery. I think another great place to shop to stretch your dollar is Aldi, the supermarket chain Aldi. Yeah, they have it out on the East Coast and the Midwest, but at the moment, nothing near the Rocky Mountain region or the West Coast. So Aldi is another great place to shop if you don't have a lot of money. So guys, let me know where do you guys shop for groceries? What do you guys shop for household items? Usually I go with Walmart for like you know, household items like what do you call these? Toilet paper, tissue, detergent and stuff. I usually shop at Walmart. I think Costco or Sam's only makes sense if you have a family of 4. If you live by yourself or just a family of 2, it doesn't make sense to shop at Costco, because there's going to be a lot of food waste, you know, if you shop at Costco, in my opinion. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys shop at Costco for food. Yeah, I can use my mom's membership if I wanted to, but yeah, I think it's a waste. Yeah. And what are the other tips and tricks to save money? If you know, let me know in the comments. If you know, let me know in the comments. I probably said this before, but you know, yeah, changing your own engine oil, that's a good way to save money. Changing the transmission oil. You know, last time they hit me with I think it was $540 to change the transmission oil. That was like a couple of months ago. But that's only every 100,000 miles for CCVT. If it's regular transmission, it's every 60. So you can also do that by yourself. Yeah, you can work on your own car. Yeah, that saves a lot of money if you're a gig worker. Me, I usually go to Grease Monkey or to get engine oil change, and if it's something big like transmission, I go to the dealership. But they do charge a hefty price. Yeah, transmission oil change, CCVT. Yeah, if it's sorry man, I'm fucking brain dead. If it's For engine oil, I think it's about the same. Engine oil, they charge the same as Grease Monkey. And at the dealership, they got some, I don't know, they got some cool things like the cappuccino machine, you know, free water and shit. But they do charge an arm and a leg for services, though. There's a lot of great stuff at the Dollar Tree. I think they're known for like party supply. You know, if you have a birthday party or something, there's Halloween costume and stuff. Yeah. So besides, if you don't have a lot of money, you can buy a lot of stuff for cheap at the Dollar Tree. You know, a lot of good stuff. You can buy party decorations, balloons, plate silverware for parties, birthday parties, and all kinds of stuff. Yeah. So it's 2025. Yeah, man, you can't get much for $1 nowadays. But I guess the only thing that was $1 was the comb. I haven't used a comb for a minute. I got a haircut with Diane. It was $24. Tip her 16. Yeah, me and her had a we had a nice talk about, you know, yeah. Guess how much her wedding cost? $85K. $85K for the freaking wedding. Yeah. She didn't. She really don't want to get married. You know, she's kind of like Americanized, just live together and shit. But you know, her grandma wants her to have a baby and stuff. But you know, she's I think she's like 4 years younger than me, 6 years, whatever. Diane. Her wedding cost $85K, and I think her husband is white, so most of the family didn't put money in the envelope. You know, kind of like the Asian. In Asian weddings, you put money in the envelope, you know, to pitch in. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, it's just Asian culture. Weddings, funerals, birthday parties, and so on. Yeah, just it's kind of like expected that you put some money in the envelope. But I'm not saying her husband's family is cheap or anything. It's just different cultures, you know. So I talked to her for like 10 minutes, and she say yeah, she probably lose I don't know, 40K on that wedding. It costs $85K, and the donations and stuff is only like $40K, so it is what it is, you know. So she's gonna have to cut a lot of hair and color a lot of hair, dye a lot of hair to get that wedding money back, huh? $85K for a freaking wedding, you know. Not cheap, guys, not cheap. And due to COVID, some venues are pushed back like 2 years. A lot of these wedding venues, whatever, event centers are pushed back like 2 years easily. Easily 2 years. So, man, yeah, everything costs money now, you know. So let me know in the comments, you know. Let me know in the comments. And a lot of us millennials and Gen Z don't get married due to financial reasons, you know. It costs so much money to get married or do anything nowadays, you know. 85K for a fucking wedding, guys. Not cheap, huh? My engagement ceremony in Vietnam cost us this is fucking 2018, so yeah, this is pre-COVID numbers. I think our engagement cost I don't know, $4,000 maybe. Maybe $4,000. The engagement ring was only $2,000, and then the rest, I don't know. Yeah, off the top of my head. Yeah. Most of our shit was rental. Wedding, Vietnamese traditional wedding gown, and then Vietnamese traditional dress, wedding dress. We only rented because it was a one-time thing. Yeah, I think our engagement ceremony probably cost like, with the engagement ring, probably like $4 to $5,000, you know, 4 to 5K. Not much. But even our engagement party, people still give us gifts, you know, money and gold rings and all that. You know, her aunt Haley's family gave us some gold rings. My side of the family gave us some cash in the envelope. My my mom and dad, just my dad was there. Yeah, my mom flew back to Vietnam, or she was in Vietnam, but not at the time of the engagement party. So only my dad and I was there. Yeah, man, cost a lot of money to fly back to Vietnam to attend a fucking wedding, you know. So I didn't invite any of my friends, and it's only engagement. It was only an engagement party anyway, so you know. So any of you guys here got married? If you got married, put down in the comments how much it cost you for everything, you know. The fucking event center, catering, wedding gowns and all that. Some people rent, some people buy. What else? Limousine and all that. Yeah, man. I've been to a few weddings, but I actually never had a wedding party. Haley and I got married on paper, but we never had a wedding party, you know, if that makes sense. By law, on a K1 visa, you have to marry your fiance within 90 days under US law. So 91 days and her ass would be deported back to Vietnam. It was 91 days and we didn't get married yet. Her ass would be deported back to Vietnam. But yeah, man, everything costs now more days with all this trade wars, tariffs, whatever. So originally I just wanted to buy a comb, but apparently we ran out of toilet paper. $1, $1.50, $1.50, $1.50, $1.50 plus tax, $7.50. Yeah. So I guess your dollar goes further at the dollar store, but they don't sell any fresh food or you know, fresh vegetable or meat. So for those, you have to go to a grocery to a supermarket, a regular supermarket. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you want to support the channel, you can become a channel member. It only costs $5 per month. Thank you for the donations, guys. Donations are not expected, but greatly appreciated, of course. Shout out to ISO, shout out to Mike and all the people that have donated. Yeah, if you hop into my stream and you never donate, I would never clown you. Yeah, I would never clown you if you hop in and never donate. It's just come in and be civil. Yeah, don't come in and act like a clown like Gay Chen, and you'll be okay. And all my you want to help out the channel, there might be useful services for gig workers like Solo, Moves Financial, Moves Finance, Solo, Extra Slim Wallet. Yeah, all the good stuff are in my channel description. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, guys. If you enjoy the content, give your boy a subscribe, smash the like, and if you want to catch me on new videos or spontaneous live stream, please please turn on all notifications. Please turn on all notifications. My friend is visiting from Ohio, so probably not gonna work today. Probably not gonna work, but yeah, man. Times are tough, and all this trade war and stuff is not good for us middle class Americans or lower class. Yeah, trade war is not good at the moment, guys. And in my opinion, yeah, trade war, all these policies from Trump, they're not gonna make America great again. I highly fucking doubt it. America's always been great, by the way. Yeah. America always has been great. It still is great, but it's tough for us middle class Americans. You know, I don't talk politics on my channel, but you know, I'm a libertarian. I said that many times, but you know, libertarians now is not too sexy on YouTube. Yeah, it's not too sexy. You know, it's either Democrats or Republican. So being a libertarian is not a thing. You know, they get less than 1% of the votes, but you know, it is what it is. If you enjoy the content, once again, yeah, or you can go on a deep dive on what a libertarian is, huh? What a libertarian is, yeah. It means we fucking hate both parties, you know. That's what it means. It means we don't agree with anything that both parties are doing since the fucking 70s, huh? Since the fucking 70s. All right, that's gonna do it for today, huh? I like to stretch my video out to at least 9 minutes. And that's gonna do it, guys. Have a nice day.